Is your hair stuck at the same length for years? You have tried a lot of things, they are not working for you. You want to give up on your natural hair. Please don't give up. Or your hair is always falling out. You're always packing half of your hair whenever you comb your hair. Or your scalp is always itching you. Or you have tried a lot of things to grow your bald spots, your edges is not working for you. This recipe I'm about to share with you is a game changer. If you can only pay close attention to watch this video to the end and use this recipe the way I'm about to direct you in this video, believe me, you will never regret it and your hair will grow like a weed in a very short period of time. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. First thing is to bring my clay jar. My first ingredient is sage. Sage stimulates hair growth, improves circulation and enhances shine and texture to the hair. It also help control dandruff, reduce frizz and even darken hair colors. It also improve overall scalp health. So I make use of 1 tablespoon of my sage. My second ingredient is amla powder. Regular use of amla powder can improve the overall texture of your hair, make it softer, smoother and more manageable. It helps reduce frizz and add volume to fine hair, and also give you fuller, darker hair and more voluminous loose hair. Moving on to my third ingredient is chebe powder. Chebe powder is believed to stimulate the hair follicles, promote faster hair growth, and also chebe powder is rich in protein, fatty and minerals which can strengthen hair strands, make them less prone to breakage. It's particular for those with thinning hair. I make use of 1 tablespoon of my chebe powder. Moving on to my fourth ingredient is neem powder. The properties on neem can kill the fungus that causing dandruff. Neem can cleanse and strengthen hair follicles, which can lead to strengthen healthy hair. It's an antioxidant that can prevent premature grains. Neem can help stop itching scalp and dandruff. Neem can kill lice and their eggs. Neem contains vitamins, minerals and fatty acid. It can also improve hair texture and reduce breakage and split ends. Neem moisturize the scalp and treats scalp infections. So I just pour in my hot water into my jar, contain my ingredients for infusion method. I'm going for infusion method. So if you choose, you can do boiling method, okay? Do the one that works for you, okay? So I use my spoon to turn it around. After turn it around, next thing I'll cover it and keep it aside to infuse for 12 hours. You can also infuse it for 8 hours, but the longer you infuse it, the better results you will get. After 12 hours, do you see it have changed in color? All the ingredients have released their nutrients into the water. Now this tea spray is super potent. So while straining this, I would advise you to use your sheath cloths, your wig cap or your stockings or your hanky, okay? Because this ingredient contains powder. Don't use your shifter, okay? If you use shifter, you're going to shift it several times before you get smooth tea spray. So use your sheath cloth or your wig cap or your stockings for you to get smooth tea spray, okay? So after doing that, the next thing I transfer into this my spray bottle for easy application. This tea spray is all you need for that hair growth. This tea spray will give you that crazy results if you really pay close attention to see how to use it for that best results. So I have shown you how to prepare this tea spray. The next thing is how to use it for that best result, to activate it to get that best result. So this is the stage of my hair. This is how my hair is looking like. To use this tea spray for that best result, to get that prayer answers with this tea spray, is to use it as a leave-in tea spray. Why using it as a leave-in tea spray? Please, if you come across this video, your hair is dirty, do not prepare this tea spray and use it on that dirty hair. Please, first of all, wash your hair first. After shampooing your hair, okay, go ahead and prepare this tea spray so that it have created a healthy environment for this tea spray to do a great work. You can't see good results while using this tea spray on a dirty hair, because the dirty on your scalp have clogged the pores. It will make this product not penetrate. It will make this product not to penetrate deeply in your scalp and do that great work it meant to do. So for the best result, use it on a clean scalp, okay, and on a clean strand of hair, okay. Apply it generously on your scalp and the strands of hair. If you have any problem areas you want to tackle, focus this tea spray in that problem area and be consistent, guys. Consistent is the key. All these natural ingredients you are letting down, they are game changer for you. They are those ingredients that you are looking for, but you are letting them down. Natural ingredients are the best. Natural ingredients are lifesavers. So if you know how to use them correct way, you will never regret using natural ingredients on your hair, okay. And while using them, please try to be patient. You will not see growth immediately you apply it. Only result you can see immediately you apply it is that itching scalp, okay, and hair fall. You see a little bit change when you use it consistent, like 1 week for your hair fall. But if you want to see that magic, crazy, massive growth, massive change on your hair, be consistent, like 2 months, 3 months, you will see massive results, visible results using that tea spray, like this tea spray, okay. So just try to be patient and be consistent in using this tea spray. Believe me, this tea spray is that game changer for you. This tea spray is that prayer answer for that your hair problem. There's no joke. And don't let down on this tea spray. Just use them the way I'm directing you in this video, and you will never regret it. After applying it on your hair, make sure you give yourself a gentle scalp massage. But to activate this tea spray more better for that better results, warm the tea spray. Do not use it in a cold form, okay. Just heat up the tea spray a little bit, let it be a little bit warm, and apply it on your hair. After then, make sure you use your leave-in condition or your butter with the oil to see in this tea spray on your hair. In that way, this tea spray will sit longer on your hair and do that work it's supposed to do on your hair. How many times can you use this tea spray to get that best result? Use this tea spray 3 to 4 times in a week for best results. You can also use it every day on your hair, okay. So you can also add essential oils. If you have essential oils, you can also add essential oil on this tea spray. This tea spray will give you that thicker hair, solve that your hair fall, your tiny edges, sticking up your hair, promote faster crazy hair growth. Like as I said before, if you be consistent, because consistent is the key. After applying this tea spray on your hair, give yourself a gentle scalp massage. Do not forget massaging your scalp. Don't skip scalp massage. It's more than important in this tea spray, okay. After massaging your scalp, cover up your hair, your steamy cap or your shower cap or your cellophane nylon for 15 to 20 minutes or 10 minutes, depend on you. After then, remove it and allow your hair to air dry. Please and please don't wash it out for that best results. Allow this tea spray to sit on your hair. If you follow the instruction I'm giving to you in this video, believe me, your hair will never remain the same. There's no joke. So if you want to give up on your natural hair, please try this recipe for me first for 1 to 2 months, and you must see massive results that will make you continue taking care of that your hair, okay. Storage. This tea spray can last only but 5 days to 7 days in your refrigerator. Please, anyone that remaining, make sure you discard it and make a fresh batch. I hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you have not joined this beautiful family, help me and click on that subscribe button. And once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload amazing videos like this. Okay, believe me, you will never regret joining this beautiful family. And also, if you have not liked, please help me to click on that like button. It really helped me a lot, encourage me to bring out more good content for you guys, and also it helped the growth of the channel. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on this video, know the recipe to use to solve that their hair problems and promote faster hair growth. I have come to end of today's video. If there's anything I've not covered up on this video, please feel free to let me know in comment section below. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.